Structural reforms that have been undertaken over the last couple of years have been much needed and actually have put Nigeria into a place where there's a lot of resilience and is an attractive destination for capital.
The G20 and having that in Africa gives the spotlight to the opportunities that are available on the continent. I mean, if I use AFC as an example, AFC is an institution that was formed in Nigeria in 2007. We've done revenues over $1 billion. We had profits last year of over $400 million. We have a return on equity of about 11% on the dollar. And that's just an example of how you have profitable institutions making significant impact.
We have been the largest economy in Africa, the largest population on the continent. And if you look at natural resources compounded, it tells you Nigeria could actually play a phenomenal role in growing not only its economy, in supporting the growth of other African economies as well.
Ongoing thing. It's work in progress, if I would say so. And if you relate that to whether investors should have confidence or not, there's a verse in the Bible that says, it's a lazy man that says there's a lion on the way. Certainly others have walked past the same way, and the lion didn't hold them back. Whatever America is saying, President Trump is saying, for me is an opportunity for us to intensify, the conversation around security, not only in Nigeria, but around our region entirely. This is not the time for name calling.
I studied a company called Hestins, that is involved in processing of critical metals, such as platinum, uranium, chromium, and the rest of that. Just yesterday, the company actually finished the groundbreaking for a $400 million facility that is also going to be built. So we don't have insecurity challenges in Nigeria that will lead into scaring any investor out of Nigeria. There is definitely not anything like that. So, and that's the reason why we have continued to see a lot of interest, for people who are coming in.
The only way to adjust and to adapt to the new situation is in particular for African countries, which only do 14% of their total trade with each other and only trade about less than $200 billion, is for us to deepen using the African Continental Free Trade Agreement as a base. Africa must trade with itself.